When I'm in the water, I feel as though I'm part of the elements, and that gives me lots of energy. For me, the best thing about the Canary Islands is the light.
Hola, chicos!
Venga!
If you want to move over, let me know.
Vamos, que estamos los primeros al agua. Los primeros. Vamos bajando ya, ¿no?
Here on this beach, people of very different nationalities come together, but we all share the same passion for windsurfing and our love of the Canary Islands. There's nowhere else in the world where the combination is so great between this sport and the good vibes you get from the people. Here on the Canary Islands, we can be who we like and do what we like 24 hours a day, all year round, and in the perfect climate as well. If you're a lover of wind and wave sports, these islands won't leave you indifferent. Full day, full year.